You got the Whitecaps in the background, but Cap here doesn't care. He's got that throttle pinned, making his way toward the inlet. But welcome back, crew, to Boats vs. Haulover, where Man and Machine take on Mother Nature down here at beautiful Haulover Inlet in Miami. Gonna be a little bit of a rough day today. We've got some rollers right on the outside. You saw the Whitecaps in the background, and unless you're pushing a ton of horsepower on a big boat like this, some of our captains are gonna struggle. And of course, this is going to take us to the first round of our contest. And here in the first round, we're going to have one of those Haulover Slayers stepping in the ring, and that is a low pontoon boat. But here we go, ring the bell, round one. Cap's working his way out, has the throttle opened up, blasts through that first wave with the tri-tune, trying to work his way out. It's gonna be a little interesting as things get rough as he continues to work out here, but right now, actually for a pontoon boat coming through the inlet, looks pretty solid. This will be the test right here though, as he's gonna have to deal with that yacht wake as well now, and right there, he winds up stuffing it, going under with the pontoon, and unfortunately for this crew, he's gonna wind up taking a loss for the boats here in the first round. That's going to bring us to the second round of our competition with Haulover up 1-0, and here in the second round we got another Haulover Slayer, and that's going to be the Hurricane deck boats. Little known fact about your boy BG here, my first boat actually was a 20-foot Hurricane deck boat. Absolutely love that thing, but not the kind of thing I want to take out of Haulover Inlet. But our guy, he's braver than I, is going to go ahead and try and work his way out, and let's see how he fares. Right now, he's taking the slow, methodical route, kind of hugging the north side of the inlet, which is a great plan. Don't go down the middle. I don't recommend that, especially in a boat this size. But as we can see, as he's starting to work his way out, things are getting rougher. It's a rough day out here, and I'm not sure exactly where he's planning on going, but I have a feeling it's not going to be very far, even if he makes it out of the inlet. And right here, our captain, he looks pretty solid, made it out pretty safely, and man, this one's quite the surprise. No! He's gonna turn it around. The old Haulover U-turn, decides it's too rough, and is gonna bring it back in. He looks solid, but I gotta give the round to Haulover again because it's forced him to turn around and bring it home. Which is going to bring us to the third round with Haulover with a 2-0 edge. The boat's got to bring this one home, and here they're tossing a Boston Whaler in the ring to try and see if they can get on the board. Let's go, Whaler gang at its finest, trying to bring this one home. So Cap leans into the throttle a little bit, trying to get this boat up on plane, just to keep it up on step, just enough to get that bow up. Right here you can see they're slicing through the waves and look pretty solid. Cap really leans into these throttles, just keeping it going, forcing his way through and manhandling Haulover here in the third round, and finally getting the boats on the board, where the boats finally claim a victory, which will bring us to the fourth round. Haulover still holding on to 2-1 edge. The boats have to continue that streak here, or this one will be all over. And in the fourth round, the boats are going to toss a Tesoro in the ring to see if they can go ahead and keep it going. This crew has slowed down tremendously. Cap's trying to pick his way through this, making sure he's got the right line. He finally leans back into the throttles to get this boat moving a little bit, hugging that north side of the inlet again, staying out of the middle. Great plan on a day like today. Close call there, as he was coming into a wave and almost winds up stuffing it, but the boat winds up holding on. He mounts up on the back of that wave, and they're going to ride it in and wind up taking a win for the boats. Somehow the boats have come back in this one. We are now tied at 2 apiece as we move into the fifth and final round of our contest. Who will take a win? Will it be the boats? Haulover? Let's find out as the boats toss a Yamaha jet boat into the ring, and my man sends it early. He's got the kids in the bow. They blast through that first wave, come rocking down. Kids in the bow wind up catching some air. Now, fortunately, the kids do have life jackets on. I still don't like him up there on a rough day like this as he blasts through again. It seems like this is a good way to knock somebody right out of the bow and into the water, but Cap keeps on going, leaning into the throttles, just still making his move as he tries to come out, but this is a rough one. The kids wiping the water out of their faces, and unfortunately, our guy, no! They made it out without stuffing it actually, but unfortunately make the Haulover U-turn, Haulover forcing them back in and taking the win in this episode. Thanks for watching, crew. Hope you enjoyed this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at the inlets. My channel, Broncos Guru, does some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we got Boats vs. Haulover, where Man and Machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.